we've come to a pretty cool spot, a bit of a descent. This is what we'll be flicking, a bit of top water and then some soft plastics as well. Pretty deep, so we're expecting some trevally, maybe salmon. We've got no food again, another survival trip. This time we've got the tent, but that's for the camera gear because it is going to rain. Don't know what that is, could be an angel fish. So that was a sweep. He was 34 centimeters. Not too sure how good the eating is of them. But look dude, we are starving, so we're just gonna eat him and try him out. I'm sure he's better than salmon. And the salmon was pretty good when we were hungry, so we'll see how we go. I did see a few tommies or salmon following this. Gonna cook up our fish, got some decent fillets. The sun is actually dropping pretty quick, so it's gonna get really cold. So trying to find a lot of wood for tomorrow morning and for tonight to be a bit warm. Also got to cook up dinner. It's a real struggle to get this cranking because everything's so damp and so wet. So right now it's currently going pretty good. Been trying at it for an hour. And Darius has gone for a walk for more wood. It's coming late now. Finally got our fish cooked. It took a while. First time eating sweet. I know it's a survival video, but we did bring some wraps in. We just got a wrap. We've got a bit of tomato I've chopped up. We'll chuck a couple of those on. Do on the hot plate. Oh, that's hot. Ooh, we can get it out. Oh, look at that. And that's going to be us for tonight. So we'll wrap him up. Basically living luxury out of here. Fold that bottom bit. I'm going to say this one's probably better than salmon. And that's probably not hard to be. A lot of people don't like salmon. We like salmon, but this probably tops it off a bit better. But we need to get some food. Probably an extra dinner tonight or for tomorrow morning. We're just gonna go out for a flick. Check that out, guys. We got a bunch of rain coming. We had the same, but half of the cloud come over and it did hit us. We got pretty bad rained out, so this is gonna be a lot of rain. So we got a bit of hours of fishing, and then when that comes in, we'll be sleeping in that tonight. Next morning, trying to cook some brekkie. Didn't have any luck out there, guys, so we are cleaning the packet up. It's nearly lunchtime. We are starving. We didn't catch any fish, so that means no food. We got to go by the rules. Don't catch anything, we got no food, so we're going to pack up. We got a big cloud coming up, so we're going to try rush, and we'll probably end up hitting up our local McDonald's because we are starving. So if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. We put a lot of effort, and guys, if you did stick to the end and you did like it, let us know down in the comments below. And if you have not subscribed, join the family. It is free to subscribe. You just got to sign in, click the subscribe button, and not only that, you are notified every single time we upload. Now, we're going to be coming up with videos every about 2 to 3 weeks, so stay tuned, and yeah, just another thank you. See you next time.